Lami yung kayo atong sabaw today. Masarap may kasama pag kumakain ng ganito. If you love sinigang, you will love this. Para siyang sinigang, pero hindi siya sinigang. And it's from Cebu, and it's called larang, and this is how you make it. I have here pampano, isdang pampano, where you can use any fish na puti yung laman, no? White fresh fish. And usually sa Cebu, ang gamit nito ay tagutungan or yung porcupine fish. Have you seen porcupine fish? A lot of people think it's the butete. Hindi yun butete. It is porcupine fish. And ito, prepare ko lang yung aking aromatics. Heating my pan. This is usually prepared at doon sa fish market sa Pasig sa Cebu. So, while dumarating yung mga bangka, may dalang mga isda from all over, not just around Cebu, from as far as Leyte, as far as Samar or Masbate, doon namimili ng the freshest fish you can find. This dish is like a sinigang of sorts, pero ang kaibahan niya is meron siyang black beans. Meron siyang tausi. So, smash na natin yung ating garlic. So, meron tayong luya, meron na tayong bawang, meron tayong cooked tomatoes. I'll be using around 3 or 4 tomatoes. Rough chop lang siya. So, it's clear, it's delicious, and of course, yung kanyang asim galing sa ating kamyas. We're using kamyas from the garden. Ang magbibigay ng magandang, bright, parang tart flavor. Add our oil. Kinsa may mga Bisaya diha, and I will saute my ginger and my garlic. Hindi ko nalalagyan ng sibuyas dahil I'm using a lot of leeks. At recently, may na-recognize na larangan sa Pasig sa Michelin Guide. No? Recently, 2026 Michelin Guide lalabas. X-Men Carinderia. At doon ako kumakain for many years na pag umuwi ako ng Cebu, I eat there. And ang partner dun sa ating nilarang is not rice, but corn grits. And I will add my tomatoes. Napakasimple lang, tomatoes. And I'm adding my kamyas as well. Yan, oh. Damihan natin. Kamyas, kamyas. Ang bango na, ha? So, I remember back in college, after mag-inuman, kakain ng larang at dawn around 3, 4 a.m. And it would really like revive you kasi sobrang init. Then, maasim-asim na sabaw, wakes your taste buds, and also very filling. Para pagtulog mo, ang sarap ng tulog mo. Yan. And I will add my tausi, black beans. And this will create the broth for our soup. Add our water and bring that to a boil. And in the meantime, I will chop my leeks, which I will add later. Alam mo, yung this dish is not served in Manila and elsewhere, ha? At doon lang sa Cebu ko na nakikita tong larang na to. And I have this for later. And also my green chilies. Sa Cebuano pa, siling espada. Diba? It's like a sword. Pero sa atin, dito sa Manila, we call it siling pangsigang. Dahil mahilig tayo sa sinigang. At yan ang laging ginagamit. Just stirring our green chilies to release the spice. Ang ating fish, pampano. Fatty. Kasi ito yung fish kasi na medyo malapit dun sa tagutungan ng texture and fattiness, no? So, our fish ready. Cut into 4. Yan, let's wash this. Kumukulo na yung ating broth base, oh. So, ito lang, the aromatics and the kamyas will give it a lot of flavor. And very important, yung ginger dito. And now, lalagyan na natin yung ating pampano. Ito yung pampano na pampayes sa sarap. And the ulo. And yung atay ng ating fish, isasama natin siya. That's so delicious. Season with a bit of salt. And for some umami, para mulami ang atong larang, we will add Maggi Magic Sarap. Add our chilies and our leeks. And wala na. Luto na kaagad yung ating larang. Ang sarap nito. Yan ay yung masarap natin na larang for today. Lami na kaayo ang atong larang. Excited na kumukaon. But before that, subscribe to the Simple.ph YouTube channel kasi marami tayong recipes doon. Just like this from all over the Philippines. Lami kay ni. Kailangan ni ng rice and extra rice. Ang lami na partner ani, sinugba na baboy. No? And we are done. Turn off the heat. At yan ang ating larang. Look at that, no? Ang ating kamyas is already, it's turned into mush. So, it will add body to our soup. Ito yung perfect na larang. Kahit hindi na masyadong bongga yung ating fish. And for me, I will have some of the soup. Ito yung ating larang. Puwerteng lami ah. Grabe. Takes me home to Cebu. Lami yung kayo atong sabaw today. This is what you call larang. It's like sinigang but lightly different because meron siyang more complex flavor dahil sa tausi or fermented black beans. And this is a recipe from my hometown Cebu. Larang. Simple. It's finally here, my newest book, Pinas Simple. This book is so special to me because it celebrates my 10 years as an author. Beyond recipes, this book tells stories of Filipinos through our cuisine. This book, Pinas Simple, The Love and Lore of Filipino Cooking, is an anthology of essays and dishes that bring our culture one bite at a time. Grab your copies now.
Simple.ph. Living made simple.